Yachengere ritkoreale ba chintunda emironge tano na isano na isato.
That some of them have misunderstood us, and it's only by our action they will know that we mean business. Brothers, I think I have spoken enough in this language. It is not my wish that I should be speaking to you in a foreign, and for that matter, in colonialistic language.
Ritukeri ni gori kwareganirwa ni kiombe gya Central Organization of Trade Unions Kenya, kiombe ky'abakora imirimo gyacagetwe n'abarai ao buna Mariam Tomboya.
Mr. Baboya, do you believe that the people of Australia really understand what's happening in the new Africa?
Well, I do hope at least that they all understand that Africa is no longer a colonial continent and that we have gained our independence, and that this means to us a new Africa speaking for herself, interpreting herself, and anxious, ready and willing to take her place in international as well as Commonwealth affairs. But of course, I think we ourselves have a duty to inform the world and inform the Australian people of our problems and progress, and that's one reason.
Kurende asebono nigo geteneneirwe numurai Francis Atwoli.
President atupatie general wage increase, not minimum wage, because economy has hit almost everybody. Hakuna mtu achachapwa na cost of living in this country.
Amaganio y'abakoriri emeremo ngamona okomentwa gwekibesa cy'abakoriri emeremo amachiko yokora abakoriri emeremo gwekiranigwa okorosigwa kwa mabaga y'ekigasi ayo abere eketanga kenene ase ense ya Kenya.
It's very clear, if you didn't perform, you are either sent home, that you are marked below average, you are reprimanded, next time unaenda nyumbani. You don't need any other regulation kwa civil servants in this country.
Omoyega oleba ase ritukoria rero nigo orakerekane ase ensemo ya Uhuru Gardens Nairobi ase entunda yemeronge tano na kianda ekiombe gyako tugwetera ase munyakerogo Francis Atwoli ngikwanere anene mono omogiro bw'abanyagitari amaganio y'abarimu ba junior secondary gwetera ase ekiombe gya TSC embura yetoigo eyanekiwe chinsemo chinyinge amo na omuswada gwechibesa gwokoreta chinyomba kirigori ryense okwarganiria oroboti oro ase etibia wanje se yandizi inchenkoro kwa Samienda.
Amonchu mulikire bono buna kwegure gombya mono mulikeito Sama Mayenda asoroboti ro aberga kuryaliganaria sovime uno tegure history ya Labor Day wenya chageto mwaka 1882
obera umenye niki kyabereke gokorekana kurwa se chinga kiecho we kamona nyoro na tote na taria nse ya Kenya yoka ego chengera litukeriga kone litukorigo chengerwa agoigo ne chinse chinde nonya bande bakori chengera omutienyi okianda akirengekene no kwene kyo buna bakore mirimo babere bakonyora obusibore ase orobotirwa ya Samiendo bega gutumanya buna maganyo ali abakori mirimo baganitie gwikiranya nga muno komentwa wechibesa twarura se kegetamba banki babere bakwemurunganya na bayase muntu abantu babere bagokora egasi batari komento mishara muntu okora egasi asege garakini tanya komento mushara tanya ukini wonone nekirugo
na bibi ntanto bakwemurunganiria anamara bakore mirimo ba serikali unabona
ndio wakora egasi myake mengi sana lakini ngwanya ukini wonone kirugo ngwanya komento nonye mishara bano babuyo rende gasi yengo karabono kuna some expectations wakora gasi ase egeka kenge ketambe iga gwente comment ekerengo ky'umushara naye whatever na maene gasi ngokora ine njire ya mubono yo kubeko mwo enekiye bakora imirimo baganiti babeku omuki yabe beku moyo ameteka rogo commentwa aganto gakeigoro
gotwara romoyo
sentboni commentu none chiri bibere gotwara moyo kegima bwo gokora gasi lakini so
comment bale
na bado nuore gadi ase kuarenge
na beko bomuchana nagiye kora abakuri mu beserikali abange asorobotiro twate baru abwatu kubango ya abange mbaisani gitini gasiri bakora kwande mbaigweto kango batabera none gasi neri bono umuntu akorana asinga incho gento nkenda akore tigambwatirire tigankore gasi lakini no waro omonene bwa abakuri meno be serikali mbaisa negetine gasi ri bakora mbaisa negetine njere serikali babegete neri umuntu akore naki nimbwate chibilingo wakana nimbwata abana nimbwate ke family okuragera amahitaji naroro tigambwate rendi ngone chironi echichinkonyera abana otherwise abantu abange asoro boti urubono rwabirero kubwato kona bo igono roboti rwabwato kurase kyombe kemuketariye serikali igoro arokyo tesaneka kwa aimirimo ane mono asaba kori emirimo obe serikali monchu muligire bono na mange agende tokorekana tuligereria ngo omo senator we county ya Nairobi Edwin Sifuna omo senator we county ya Nairobi Edwin Sifuna monchu muligereria niko bono abwatokire ujumbe ya igoro yeli tukerigaria lemba denyera bono Edwin Sifuna ngamo na barai baria barokora nsemerio kwameria serikali wetera sekia makerekia ODM tiyango tukire ujumbe yaye abereka kubwatoka ujumbe yaye Edwin Sifuna kiakote baiga it is a very dark Ash Labor Day in Kenya, with the labor sector in turmoil and unemployment rising. The apparent inability to those in power to solve the ever-growing crisis in the health sector casts dark cloud of our country today. In addition to the destruction and loss of lives from the ongoing flooding, there is a little to smile about. Nisifuna yani rakote bana uyamboyo asogo chengere tukere bakora imirimo nambe yemo njira banyagatari bacandikete nambe redi Nisifuna omo senator we county Nairobi otevidence rantu bagosomba mahache flood se togegandete konekigwa yani negenteke kera asogo chengera ritukeri oinere omo senator we county ya Nairobi rero no kubura kwemerema abantu abange bari isiko batabwatie meremo abono rende na kitogo chengera bari meremo gekera abantu abange bari isiko unemployment crisis nabange bari isiko tigasi no bari isiko kurende no yakera ogendera tukuburi ne serikali otana ne chiko konya basai akire sikurigere mu baro munene sana bwa basayo resiko abantu bakorte chiskuru babwata masakara kurinde tibabwati chigasi bagokora varenta tengoire magegake nonya Kenya togendete kurira okoburo kwemirimo in fact ari ntutweka abarayimba umirana head of state mba umirana Nairobi bakari no murayibwense asentunde ya 20 abara kuruchinse aho Malawi Ethiopia chinse orongoro Africa mbacha Nairobi ga kolikere kiro muraji liko tunikubata ko roboti rwa seviro bitere bitambe tulika the state of the nations chinse chinyingi ko chya rokante kolira mono anyamala wo murebwense Malawi ote note bana kim ngonya kubokera toro uchumi nembe omurebwense Ethiopia ote note bana Ethiopia sia ikire ndoje na tuachakire kuboka yani ntonya already no country ya rakote bana we are doing it well ese yagane ya tebana it's by God's grace to ikira sto ikire unemployment rate in other places even as Samia Suluhu ense ya Tanzania the same thing ya corona ki ense ya Tanzania ngatoko beke meroberio yo kana kinanko bwatera na bali nechinse mochinde eriko gutwara employment opportunities so even Kenya is among the country or Africa generally every country nkorere na mirimo tejo Vincent muntu nambori biswari byuzi buna oberera koiwa murayibwensa batababuna babiri bakugamba n'abarayikuruwa se chinse chinde anene igoro yo gutumika ibechinchira cyekerero ako segeta basaye babe bakonyoro bosemia bose bakonyora megiri gutumika ibechinchira cyekerero iyo rabakonya konyora chigasi ase chinse chinde mundambore tiriswari ganaki abantu abo barabukuru chinse chinde konyora bare chigasi chimeye se yakenya omate terminology nere gutumika na abantu mbagande sije ko kurigemeremo lakini akaruto kurarigereria biyekero kurigereria varin to iskurigereria abantu bari bakwende siko bari bakire siko bakonyekire bari bakire siko bayira nabakorera bari bakire siko twakora gukikubuye ebindi benso walkana bire banda siko biya ya agent yabere to ko bwaka masaku mubora twasina kitoko muirania mara moyo mwana seno nakarete gentegete mubere ogatoka segete yani nturenga bikokorekana lakini korende nonyo murebo ense kagarnete ko beke meroberi abantu bagendese cyese ko kuri gemeremo tali bonse barayikirania egoro kande siko wonse ngutagete kibesa ko igure dige passport kwanye passport ne mitinyi tato kibesa nzakire kingani ebintu nebinge ozeni ya gentegete ko ira wate okaraka no seli mu mecha 50 ndo arekyombe kende ga bakorera ino murandia ubwate ekeombe giko ira abantu isiko otabire ne billion chibesa ngajira ine kwa kosa 100,000 oyijori kuri kasi ando senga na siko cyo korega omurandi cyo gaka masaku abantu barenga obisi cyo bakabuga to umurandi gabore agatama na almost 600 billion cy'abantu you see lakini ndabini sikurigere ryo mu cyano munene no rasaba kuri mirimo bari barase obokoreri gose bari bare mirimo ngwe murunganya bare batabona kero kende
machika magania batari goikirani wa bari komentu mihara kuri ndeto nyore buna bantu mbari sikogegana baraba korera angala ubataite buna barabo kero kende banyora kabaga kubi migereri na barabo basoe ase emerebe kuri ndeto bati serikali nimero berio kia begete anene katora sikwe ngwana ya murebe Dr. William Samuel Tori koria rero na ragia ya bagwati bune serikali ya Kenya nene to kwandire ya Kenya bana singecho no tore aba Kenya na ragia ya iga agosemero berio kia serikali begete erinde bachi kwene kyabuna abakuri mirimo babere bakonyora ubusuburi bwabo nabayigo obwene unatwika kumanya wochi ujumbe cyo nchigenderete go to mwandro cyo mugavana abuye county ya Isiolo Abdi Ibrahim Guyo enero berega kwatuka ujumbe yayaga igani nchibosoma ujumbe yayaga teba today on International Workers Day. Let us honor the resilience and dedication of Kenya's workers and union leaders. Their unwavering commitment has not powered our economy but also played a pivotal role in our journey to sovereignty. Oyo no mugavana we county ya Isiolo Abraham Ibrahim Guyo. Umatomo ekero kurigereria umate Everine ekero tokonyara kurigereria igoro yeri tukeri no jumba kiganda to ono mugavana asensema na na roche no nyeri tukeri ko chingero ebintu mbire bitigarete magega nera anga buno muntu okoko omo senator we county Nairobi yakora na usikuriga so jumba yo mugavana we county ya Isiolo Chisiro nchiroro bivoto role ase sabari ye yokonyara gwikirania obokoreri ige bintu mbire biterekerani waboikiranu erikone kuna abakore meremo gwesana kabare of course muntu tawesana 100% lakini bintu mbire obyengejo kokora chinse mu ibire satu ya chakire kwemurungania igoro yobokoreri bwe serikali definitely mu chandonoro oyo bwente kurigerero onyore Ruto ase bwango igana atebetena ense ya Kenya Chibesa bono ya sangiriri asindune tangani gochire gwaka na madeni umwaka weta tokamanya madeni ka wakanwa ebintu byonchiriri lakini ko kabona ogumambo libo bogendreta gokonga aba Kenya nkwe murungani bale abakore mirimo aba okorobekana gwasoire omugiro bwemirimo soire kira sabon chinse mubono cyarroka nebuna ekimwe kitikugwa nse mote yetora tabana kibona nse mugetero nete nene ozikurigiro yokoni goko mwaka isiko omwaziri bobolimi nengana egochera no obotakora biya abantu ba embarayisaneka wono nebintu umurai bwensa abantu kurigana kim hekere chinse mu chinse cyukwe murungani abali miyaba be murunganiri abali mu aba be murunganiri abanyagetari aba be murunganiri abahonjereri aba be murunganiri ikona kyo bokorri bora abasense yake igona ningane kwenda kurigererirwa kegima soko ene kiabuna ama chikama ikirano aberega kubekwa yoko ene kiabuna aba koliye mirimo abayiga bose asti sector chonsi nyora karatote aba koliye mirimo keroke no mundanaro kaita aba koliye mirimo bari bakore mirimo ya serikali bose serikali ye county yoka mukoliye mirimo nonde wese bwate kende kirya gukora yoko ene kiabuna nkwenyorera ari engere yaye yakera ritwo na ngo serikali negenderete koliye chira cyaye no kwege na waito buna nimero berio babegete ne chikwene kiabuna okero yo mobile gabo konye kanene abanyagetari nabo babere babo bakorete nganeye mono yoko emurungania ana naote ibimbe nebinde ene binke ti sector ne chinyinge anene nona bakore mirimo be sector chi abantu nyene go maite bono barabwo magania bona barabumba bwatebirero byabo andi bono ibirero byabo bateso kibachikorera serikali akore ndi bagendrete korera babo bakogana barabwo amagania bo abeka goikerani wegase turiya rero ya lebande yo gucengera obukoreri bw'abakuri emirimo imeyense ya Kenya 1st May of 2024 no kwigana unakeria kene yoskira chiko kwanwa asumu sangirikano yomonene ogokorekana segeti ya Uhuru Gardens je mu Nairobi ogosemiro konene ngo chikobe kwa gochase abakuri emirimo imeyense ya Kenya anene abanyagetari ubono bare umugiro obwemirimo yabo asegeke getambe batara irana uchiaso bokorera skire bakorera buna amagani yabo anene korengana no kwigwana kwa beta bakubeka kubekwa bakubeka taraikiraniwa asikire bagenderete kuboria serikali wetera se wizare riyo bochenu kwene kya una babiri bakubarigereria koirana emirimo kuri ndinyora ego serero yabage kuri obuna ababemba irane emirimo nigo bawo chukutwe emirimo yabo nengana ya murekero korende clinical officers bagasoime na baro bagachaka nyoma te clinical officers bachamage gaso mugiro bari tukoria bori 33 days abutokire maega ya kekyo mugiria kembidio abanyagetari bona barobo baseriteria ritukoria bori 49 days abutokire clinical officers 31 days ibo moncho muligereria nengana batete buna
bari bakuriko tugo bariko barumba atebete na mbali koirana meremo mbali koirana gasi goika okogani kwabo akoreka abantu bazakaywa marube serikali gateba kubutera abantu omunyakiro wa governor COG ano ikuru governor wa county ya Kirinyaga akabuligwa asentunde mubuna chi county nchibwato bosibole boko butabanyagetari batoza semeremo erega atebete buna chi county kolengano kona cha kwamo bwato bosire bogokirani kilibatagete bune county aga no bokorere bwa bataganya kubasona toka twabere tukoligire toro senga ne kolekana lakini ka cheva nenga ne ta kolekana ke kogera abegatari abo kubuta andake they are of what experience kiriki okolemere mensemeyo na ndandaka uyo gocha koleta no munyagetari bono ora utabange otiga bakiga tandekira turubani bono mono obokoreri ase ensemeriyo bochino igendo kerega ngirina gwika serikali erigichinchira agatoko n'abanyagatari mwancho muna bakumurikira umona asengencho na buri tukeri kali yanyora barasumugiro bono gwika barigererego ige gatiye bintu bikageire go kwanero n'umurayi bwenseri tukori yare mwancho murigeria mono mwandike ganyeri mono no mugiro w'abanyagatari ine ngane erigerigeri n'abakenya bonse umurayi bwense inkyara kwande igoro y'umugiro w'abanyagatari chinsemo chinyinge akerego kachinga kichiga ngotakero twaigwa okorarigo gwa comment na ni chibesa go cyasaba kuri mero mensemegete igo bono tokatana kin nsemoki chiramento chibesa nsemoki umurayi bwense atana ki kerengo gete bagwenta comment na between 1 to 5% yemesara yabo ngati ibintu to chikurigere naki umurayi bwense nsemoki aramurekera mono igarari nsemo y'abanyagetari igarari nsemo y'abarimu usine na abanyagetari na abarimu buna bateba abarobu mbaligete gotanda chiskuru ane junior secondary ngaita banka bara sense yekimbekeriya kupet na wale batebona nekagirira skuru nchigorwa na bataira nchiskuru singa njo bara nomoke na bintu byao binge mbrekeraniwa anene asoko yogwa emeremo as a contract barwe batagete bagemeremo ansemeria permanent and pensionable buna mwalimu onde bwenzi urike nesereka omata junior secondary they are treated as secondary teachers. Yes. Ikawa mwalimu wasoma form 1 na mwalimu wasoma grade 7 na mwalimu wasoma form 4 abuna bado besa secondary. So abantu batako treated like any other secondary teacher because abangaye baranse yakyombekeriya Kupet junior secondary it's a secondary school.
Nyora nonya na bime chande yo sibiye go cha Vincent ekero konyora buna bose bono n'abanyagetari bagoteba okuigwa na ngoroba begete kubwatkana n'amagani yabo okugo tari go ikeraniwa otogo bago kana CBA umuchandore no rina okonyora bose nebyombe biga bitendere tabakori abemeremo ko kibari bayikaransa babe kukoigwa na gete batayo nanga
parabu na serikali
ngakigete egento bunekiga ngo kikiriye korekana lakini ono muchando cyo bekero konyora so ne serikali babe begeto koigwa no koiga ngo kiyekirania magana na kiko na banki besokia korobekana korende ingana yo tana babe bakutwemeremo koregana na kiteri ngana ngia yekogera ambangarenga abantu gusina abanyagetari barachikorobekana yekogera onye gose kogire meremo yekogera onye ababenga kiyega barobekanire bagirire meremo babagutire meremo bariyo korikana barabungo beka moro koigwana ise mugo ikachinga kechimone mu rwikirani yo koigwa no koigana barabwo ngogira bare ti sector cyose kiragire meremo abantu bagire meremo abanyagetari bagire meremo ki sector cyose kigire meremo emoko babita mugo babutarende na kense ya Kenya wo chikoba mbakori ki emeremo bari barachiye gotoka yakogera yakero umuntu na chete school nyora maskaraye utwari experience kiaye abokore dio bakorunera naganetiye anyore akiyaye igo serikali ndibwenta kurigereria naki engane yiga ebwerete gokorwa gosemera uberike ebwente kubekwa aso okoyeneke bunanene abanyagetari abagendrete umugiro mense ya Kenya ababere bagwikiraniwa amagani abirikwirana asobokorerwa ko riskurire none mboniga abanyagetari mbagane irimo no iskurire yakubwatkana no mechando togendrete wetera abantu abange bagendrete gusiriya magimabo abandi bagendrete ko mnyuke ucyasinyatari bono rigere na muchando yiga bweto igogendrete batigiro chingoma abange abantu babere bakubwatiranirwa neto yiga abange bayirwa se kinyagetari banda kinyagetari echi banyagetari
ntiro kwagaza
cyabanda barende okuno kwanyake buna oseno enengene kyorgarina nto chigosiria magima y'abantu abange imeyense ya Kenya n'umugiro uyu no guchikogenderera
nabo igo tona takomolekero mwanchu muri konyara gukumanya buna ese konyarekana eserikali ngo migere gatambuka ryo kubutose n'abanyagetari boniga umubaro w'abanyagetari goro omokasi nyagetari Mwatebe na ande mubute, ande mubwati bayisaini, obona umujana. Tubate de visit, banyagetari mbese alliance nyagetari. Mwatebe na ande mubute ande bayisaini. Nake umujana w'ikikobona omone mono kubworia. Unabona junior secondary getegeta bari mo aho batakere 46000 babwente kuriko. wanu moiso kobuta nande bali baro nande mutagete extra 46 igo no muchando kuchikobo omugare mono yekore ngana bona katene ngane ta kore meremo nande ngane tanya rekana asoko nekina ngobuta muraba nyagatare bara aliobisi nande specialist una bono chinyageta ali njana nkisi teaching and referral hospital chinse monchire to bata specialist abako semba bere batatu moiso kubabuta mokonyora muntu in that department because nabake specialist to bata nabake asinyageta neba ne nyagetari county extra county nabokonya na inyagetari nenda kinendo kwanya na ki specialist nabake wate na munyagetari ngata na waje sinyagetari tena ki munyagetari monene taiyo munyagetari okora binde itaiyo osokwa appointment ojo Jumatano na lyago jotoka wono ko de Jumatano lyago jotoka obutirwe ngo gojo Jumatano iko mwancho muligereria na araga na toka wono mwancho muligereria ekera toka ndrete ko sangamo na eboni ge amase mo korwa sense mo ya oyetibiga buno tengerete omujiga kurense media or gardens no gana tibichi tiganda toka letera amase yemo bagondo cyo kwambuka oja sense mejo ase birubtere bitampe to komena lyaga ndrete ko korekana akera bono togo sanga ase emargobe ase chinse chiga chabona mambia anemona ke togo sangamo na nyira bono bakondera kutobwa semeli mtandao na bokulikia nkwana ya ganse media Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital igotore ya masayemo na boigo ntochikoene kibuna aliara korekana korwa ur gardens nsemeli county ya Nairobi ntokomanye ayuara se screen ya ugabu no tengerete nsemo ya itaga umoncho muligereria aina araga ndete ko korekana ase mambiyega yabona
vintu tanachi ko bairani yago chia seseme ya ur gardens itobe tofe to koranara ya gendere to korekana siseme chindo che gati ya abali bagendere go tobwate na sesemo ya Facebook tobwate George Mbogo Mosoti akoteba watching live from Checkpoint Butchery Amabuko Cloud Nyakeza wateba tuned in antobwate MC Mlan aka Omusongo mwenyegetinge bwakire happy Labor Day gochiaria bonchari bo maribase to people Miranga Village antobwate MC Nero inainde beirega kubeka korusa unainde SMS ndaga tebona kurwa kawangware Kongo tuned aiganiga yoka akurwa kawangware 46 gocha Nairobi CBD via Uhuru Park abonega tia bari bagendere gotoma chijumbe chiabo asense mo ya
Facebook
nyoro no mwancho mulgira semero yonsi asensemo ya Facebook endera gotonyoro wetera Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News aboko tume ujumbe yao eriyo tumanyibuna nara yiga ogendrete goturigerere kurwa usekerengere kia okwatkana niritukeriga lia Labor Day anenekero toro chaba kodi mirima bange bagendrete kwe murungania ekerengere kia usukone kwao ase serikali ya Kenya kwanza isobora iwa Dr. William Samoei Ruto nere ye na indikikerie osemereti omora iwese Dr. William Samoei Ruto abekago kwanira ritko ya rero kubwatikana no bakoreri babakoriye mirimo imeyese ya Kenya ekrobono babo chengerwa ritukeriga
Mwachumu grebo na buna takanda toko sangamu na eno chega buwase TV ya uchibicha chiganda toko nchokana na ane ase screen ya itense mwege mwachumu grebo kurwa soka mwakonde gani matu na ganda toko tengara na kumanyana na liya ya agendre tego korekana ayiwano chibiche chiko gochira eye masa ye mokorwa ase nsemelia ya Ur Gardens aliwano ase county area ya Nairobi ekeru tukeri ganda tego chenguru mwachumu grebo amo na aba Kenya bonsi anemono aba kulimirimo obono bagendre koigwa baganeti koigwa okugania ose engana yaye omurai bwense bigoroboni litukeriga abo igondo chikomanya yase yamase mo igoro yengana yaye omo nya osomuli kyomonene bwekembe kirikya bakreme mo Francis Atwoli ekembe kono kyaro asertu ko mwaka o 1965 kyalengensi ya Lubembe ni gabete bono kago chorwa bene no oyo kabiro murai bwense mutanga ngakeyo ayatu msejo mo Kenyatta ero mo choreta bono Lubembe konyara ko libagelium bubuna omuli kyomo nebwekembe kijya koto ekibono kwikiraboni gekorawa nera Francis Atwoli Central Organization of Trade Union nekibona ekembe to kwa no mwancho muligeria ase chinse chigabono chibono mambia egeto koletera yaiga na kurigereria asobeme alibono agenda chakora nyirabono aiga sense ya Kenya egeto guchengera litukeri gabono eliga lia Labor Day gose International Workers Day aiga ntubwate emeje gemenene korekana children chinyinge children tubwate anemono asense ya Kenya echibono chiro official na chitabirani go chiri amatukaya yo mutumuko igara amatuko 12 asemeye gati yabonto bwate Labor Day ni muri yabonto bwate jamhuri ama tukutubwate na mange lakini children masoko kumanya tumwancho muligereria children tubwate aiga sense ya Kenya niko chire 12 we have 12 international holidays ejibono chikokorekana aiga sense ya Kenya gati children yecho sama tuka yo mutumuko agochengerwa abakolimero sekale batari kwa na mirimo aso mwaka igari 12 gati yabo na liye litoko chengera siri tukolia rero limanyekana tebuna International Workers Day kose Labor Day ocha sabange alimo ntogo chengera na kumurekera umwanchi umurigereria buna liabereri koretwa kurwa engaki Eliud Ngala arenge minister ya labor asensemeria yobokoreri goikera boni go mwanchi umurigereria togendrete gusanga amonaye unalitukeriga go chiko chengerwa unemeyega yansira leto ya masa ya mukuru chinsemo chiria chia Ur Gardens ensemeria ya Nairobi.
Manchumuri ibona yone gati ya nene ya gukorekana ne dikeriga ryo gucengera bakora imirimo nande asentunda yende sedora kwiraniye ya masemo asechisemo chiriya chia Ur Gardens asumuye go munene ogokorekana asabarai abo babiri babusangirekana nabage byombi biterere tabakora imirimo imeze ya Kenya eriyo turarana nara yagenderete asechisemo chukira muno abakenya baganyete ko igumna nara yaya muraiweze abwate kubwatkana neri tukeriga ryo gucengera abakora imirimo tobasauskare tobasapanyagara nigo toraira nasigatire getaye gatambe kurugono kurende tigatora iwansemo eyemo weka asetinseme chochia Ur Gardens eriyo torare na murobero kyoyo ogendrete asetinseme cho asebirebiga.
Your Excellency yangu ni kuwakaribisha. Asante maana umefika leo hii. Na mimi naona yule akiwa na macho aliye na macho haambiwi. Wewe vile vile umeweka kala yetu ile ya papo. Kwa hivyo tunashukuru kwa hiyo Mheshimiwa Rais. Umekuwa pamoja nasi. Na vile vile umefanya vizuri kukuja siku ya leo. Mimi najua katibu atasema yake na yangu nitaweka iwe fupi sana, si kwa sababu niko mfupi lakini ni kwa sababu ya saa. Kwa hivyo karibuni Mheshimiwa. Vile vile ninashukuru pia nimesahau Mheshimiwa ya Chichi Gavana. Kwa hiyo asanteni sana kwa kufika wafanyakazi. Director of Federation of Kenya Employers and Vice President Ndugu Macharia na wengine wengi. Kwa sababu ya saa na kwa sababu ya mvua, mimi nataka kukoma hapa nikisema asanteni sana. Na asante sana Mheshimiwa Rais na timu yako ya serikali na wafanyakazi na employers. Mungu awabariki kwa hii sherehe, na vile vile katibu mkuu tunashukuru kwa kazi ile yote umefanya. And may God bless you ninaposimama hapo. Asante. Oh, sorry. Kwa hiyo msishangae sana. Nitaita Deputy Secretary General Ndugu Benson Okwaro, please come and take over.
Mheshimiwa Rais, nafasi nitaomba nimwalike gavana wetu aweze kuzungumza kwa machache. Welcome, Governor.
Asante sana, Your Excellency, our President. Asanteni vijana. Your Excellency, the President, mfanyikazi number 1 wa taifa letu la Kenya. Your Excellency, the Deputy President, the COTU leadership. Haya, tutulie tafadhali, imetosha. Asante. COTU Secretary General mzee wetu Francis Atwoli, the Federation of Kenya Employers, of course waziri wetu wa labor na mawaziri ambao wako hapa na makatibu, ambao wako hapa, all the leaders of the different trade unions that we've been able to see who have displayed their different sectors. Wananchi wa Nairobi, wananchi wa Kenya, hamjambo. Asante, tusalimiane kwa hewa vijana na wananchi wetu. Akina mama tunawaona, wafanyikazi tunawaona. Asanteni kwa kuja despite mvua ambayo imekuwa leo hii. Because Labor Day is an important day. Your Excellency, we've always said that the history of this country can never be written without a whole chapter dedicated to the labor movement of the Republic of Kenya and to the different efforts over the years that they made towards our liberation and towards the democratization of our country. From the days of Tom Mboya and those who followed, including our late former chairman and our Secretary General. Sisi wafanyikazi, leo hii ni siku yenu kuambia tunawapenda, tunawaheshimu, tunawadhamini. Na ukiona leo vile rais wetu amedunga, or rather pole rais kwa kishengi kuvani kudunga, vile umedunga leo hiyo purple ni kuashiria ya kwamba you stand in solidarity with the workers. Your Excellency, this year's Labor Day comes at a time when we are grappling with a lot of challenges in our country. It comes at a time when we've lost a number of our people, and we want to really commit their families across the country that God may give them strength and fortitude, awape subra wakati huu ambapo wamepoteza wengi ambao wamebebwa na mafuriko, sio tu Nairobi, sio tu Mai Mahiu na maeneo mengi. Na tumefurahi kukuona wewe pamoja na makamu wako na viongozi wa serikali wakienda kuwa na wananchi hao. Just being there with them, that solidarity means a lot to the people of Kenya. Your Excellency, hapa Nairobi tumekuwa na changamoto sana sana kwa sababu mito yetu, the 8 rivers and the 3 main ones, Ngong River, Madhari River na Nairobi River, have burst their banks. Jana usiku nzima tumekuwa na watu wetu wamelala kwa roofs pale viwandani na Kayaba. Nimekuwa kwa Ruben juzi, Gatina Kawangware, nimekuwa Madhare, nimekuwa Ruaraka, nimekuwa Utalii, nimekuwa Mabatini, nikaenda Mwiki ambapo kwa bridge watu walibebwa na maji. Tumeenda Infinity. Jana tumekuwa tena Madhare North tukipeana chakula tukiwa na watu wetu hadi Isili Kiambiu. Leo hii, Your Excellency, I'd like to report to you because hao ambao wameathirika wengi ni wafanyikazi. Thank you for the multi-agency approach that we've taken, working together under the leadership of the head of public service ambaye ako hapa. Tuko na daraja kama 17 ambazo zilikuwa zimebebwa na maji, na leo hii I can confirm to Your Excellency that we are starting the reconstruction of all of those bridges to make sure our children can be able to go to school and to cross over. We thank you. Na tulikubaliana juzi, tumekaa na viongozi. Tumekuwa na senator na wabunge wote wa Nairobi pamoja na viongozi wa government administration. Tumekubaliana ya kwamba wale walikuwa kwa njia ya maji wasirudi pahali walikuwa. Na tukizungumza na wananchi wamekubali hawatarudi hapo. Let us secure the riparian so that we can be able to save the lives of our people. Hata tukitoka hapa, Excellency, tutarudi kuwa na wananchi wetu. Your Excellency, pahali tuko hapa panaitwa Lang'ata. Tuko na mbunge wa Lang'ata ako hapa, anaitwa Jalas. Nafikiri itakuwa vizuri tu akisalimiana. Njoo Jalas usalimie watu wako. Kisha women rep wetu pia atasalimiana dakika moja. Karibu Jalas.
Thank you so much, Excellency the President, our Deputy President, all protocols observed. watu wafanyikazi wote, karibuni sana ndani ya Lang'ata. Sisi tunawakaribisha anytime kuna function hapa. Mheshimiwa Rais, umekuwa na sisi na kusimama na wafanyikazi wengi. Hapa kwetu pia kwa watu wameadhiriwa kwa sababu ndio tuko na Nairobi Dam, na tunafanya kazi pamoja na governor kuhakikisha kuwa kila mmoja ambaye ameadhiriwa anapata makazi, pahali pa kukaa na pia supply ya chakula. Katika huu wakati mgumu, sisi kama viongozi tunachukua nafasi kuhakikishia kuwa tutakuwa na nyinyi na kufanya kazi pamoja. Asante sana Mheshimiwa Rais. Thank you.
Asante, tupigie Jalas makofi. Madam Mama County, Esther Passaris, you also look resplendent in purple. Please come and say hi to your people.
Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, William Samoei Ruto, the Deputy President, Rigathi Gachagua, the CS of Labour, Florence Bore, the President of COTU, Francis Atwoli, all protocols observed. Happy Labour Day. Wananchi hamjambo. Your Excellency, as a member of the Housing Committee, I want to make an appeal. You know, it's very rare that we get an opportunity to make an appeal on behalf of workers. Majority of the employees of this country are the civil servants. It recently came to my awareness that when we have social houses, the price for civil servants is double, and yet the houses are exactly identical. I would have thought that if we're going to charge the civil servants more, the houses would have been slightly better. But to come up with 100% price double for the civil servants, I think now that they are taxed for housing, we should have a consideration. I was told that this is something that has to be done by executive order, and I'd really like you to appeal to you to look into the plight of civil servants, because they all want to own houses. We've put 30% for institutions, and it's a bit tough to see them pay double the price of social housing. Thank you. Happy Labor Day.
Asante sana. Your Excellency, the disaster that has befallen us in this country, I think the public now appreciate even more the efforts you're making towards affordable housing. Hawa pangaji wengi hawangetaka kuishi hapo kwa maji, kulipa 2,000, 3,000. We appreciate the need for that affordable housing in Nairobi, and we support you and we'll work with you together to make sure that is done. Your Excellency, Mheshimiwa Jalas has mentioned Nairobi Dam. Of course, tumetuma warma pia waangalie, because we might need to evacuate further. We've evacuated today in Kangemi Dam, just to prevent a crisis like what we've seen in Mai Mahiu. We may need to evacuate. And Your Excellency, we may need to consider again what we do with our schools. Tunafurahi ya kwamba katika zile kambi zote zilikuwa 30, saa hizi zimebaki 10 ambazo ziko Nairobi. Watu wetu wanapata chakula kila siku kutoka zile jikoni ambazo ulizindua za Dishi na County. Wanapata chakula moto, lunch, wanapata dinner, na hatutaki wakae hapo milele. Your Excellency, we want to see that resettlement over there is going on. Allow me just to recognize one category of workers, Your Excellency, who, if they were not working in Nairobi, the effects of these rains would have been worse. Your Excellency, tuko na vijana 3,500 wa Green Army who every day are unclogging our drainages, unclogging our ile uchafu ambayo iko kwa mabarabara. Kama tungekuwa na Green Army, it would have been much worse. It would have been much worse. In fact, last year wakati wa El Nino ambayo ilikuwa ya kawaida kwa barabara, hakukufurika Nairobi. It's just that this time the sheer quantity has made the rivers swell, and that is why we have the problems along the river areas, and those are along the slum areas. Jameni, watu wa Nairobi tunawaomba tusirudi pahali ambapo tumetoka na pahali ambapo manyumba zetu zimebebwa na maji. We are organizing, we are working with the president and the government to make sure we resettle you. Nikimalizia, Your Excellency, baba yangu anaitwa Francis Atwoli. Juzi nilimuona kwa kanisa. Normally we have a service on the last Sunday of April. na hiyo service huwa ni inafanywa kule St. Joseph's, a church with rich history. I explained that history last year. Unfortunately, I couldn't join wafanyikazi kwa sababu tulikuwa Office of the President under the chairmanship of Head of Public Service in a long meeting addressing the crisis or rather the challenges we are in. Lakini Papa Francis Atwoli, niliona ukisema unasikia uchungu. Ulisema unasikia uchungu sana ukiona mtoto wako governor akipigwa ama akitajwa. Ningependa kukuambia Papa, usisikie uchungu, ni kawaida, ni siasa. Na hiyo siasa huendelea, sisi ni viongozi. Ile kazi ambayo tunafanya Nairobi, kuna watu ambao wanataka tupoteze focus. Hatutapoteza focus. We know what needs to be done. We know the progress we are making. So usisikie uchungu. Unajua hata mimi nasikia uchungu nikiona wewe ukipigwa. Na nimeona umeanza kuchokozwa. Lakini usife moyo pia wewe Papa. Wale wametumwa kunichokoza pia ndio wametumwa wale wanakuchokoza. Na itaisha. Hiyo ni siasa ya kawaida, itaisha. Stand strong, stand firm. You're the leader of the trade union movement, not just in Kenya but in Africa. You must be respected. Francis Atwoli apatiwe heshima yake kama kiongozi wa wafanyikazi katika sio tu Kenya lakini katika bara la Afrika. Na pia wafanyikazi wetu wasitumiwe vibaya. Papa Atwoli, unajua nimekuwa patron wa private security workers. Niliwapeleka State House, and Your Excellency, the other day we were with them at Uhuru Park. They're asking, asanteni, they're asking, tulieni, wanauliza pia waje kukuona. There are 1.3 million of them in the country. Wale maaskari wetu walikuwa zamani wanaitwa watchmen, siku hizi wanaitwa private security workers, officers. They want to come to State House to see you. We have asked Raymond Omolo, PS, if you integrate the workers in the security sector to our security infrastructure, we will have a safer country. Ni wako zaidi ya nyumba 10, hao ni nyumba zote. In Nairobi we have more than 450,000 of them guarding several installations. So tumesema Mzee Atwoli, don't worry, na usinisikilie uchungu, ni kawaida. Sisi upigwa kila siku, wanasema nyanyako ni mchawi, wanasema sijui ulifanya nini. There will always be something. Even if you do the right thing, people will always speak. But the president told me one day, if you're a politician and a leader, and you want to be popular every day, resign and sell ice cream. Ukiuza ice cream, nata uuze bure, ndo watu watakupiga. Lakini kama kiongozi, there will always be an opinion about what you do. So we thank you. Wafanyikazi wetu, tuko na nyinyi. Tunaomba madaktari wetu, jameni, turudi kwa meza, tumalize mazungumzo yetu, ili turudi kutibu watu wetu. Sana sana sasa, ambapo tuko na jangwa hili la mafuriko na la mvua. We need all our doctors. Nashukuru madaktari wa Nairobi walirudi, wengi wao, around 80% are back there. Wale ambao wako nje, tafadhali, hakuna jambo ambalo haliwezi tatuliwa, tuweze kurudi. Mungu awabariki, tunawapenda, asanteni sana.
Asante sana Governor Nairobi, na viongozi wa Nairobi pia walionena machache. Kwa heshima Mheshimiwa Rais, sasa naomba nimwalike Sister Jacqueline Mugo, Executive Director, Federation of Kenya Employers, anene machache. Karibu.
Your Excellency William Ruto, President and Commander-in-Chief of the Defense Forces of the Republic of Kenya, Your Excellency Rigathi Gachagua, the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, Your Excellencies, the Ambassadors and High Commissioners present, Governor Johnston Sakaja, the Governor of Nairobi, and all governors present, the Cabinet Secretary for Labor, Honorable Florence Bore, Honorable Cabinet Secretaries present, Principal Secretaries present, Dr. Francis Atwoli, the Secretary General of COTU, members of the Management Board of the Federation of Kenya Employers, led by our National Vice President, Mr. Macharia, senior government officials, and various leaders from the labor movement present. I greet you all this morning on this occasion of National Labor Day. Your Excellency, allow me to start by thanking you sincerely for gracing our day today, and in workers' colors. Now, that means employers have to find a color which we will wear on the day you will come to commune with us. As we gather to celebrate the invaluable contributions of workers and employers, we also reflect on a crucial theme that resonates deeply with our collective future, the theme chosen by KOTU. Kenyan workers stand for advanced information technology training to drive our digital economy. This theme underscores the pivotal role of skilled and empowered workers in harnessing the potential of advanced information technology to propel our nation's digital transformation and economic growth. As the saying goes, the future belongs to the prepared. The important issue is not what the future holds for us, but how prepared we are for that future. The world